get this party started. It took me long enough to bring all this stuff in here. Hey guys, what's up? Merry Christmas, Merry belated Christmas. It's time for another one of my traditions to happen, and that's to film this video for you guys. I think these videos are really fun to watch and also just really important to remember and remind yourself when you're watching these videos that every single family does Christmas differently. So yeah, I'm just really excited to show you guys what I got, and I got a lot of like really exciting things this year, but a ton of really practical gifts as well. So this will just be fun, and without further ado, let's just dive in. I'm gonna start with what my roommate and best friend Taylor got me. She and I exchanged gifts this year and she got me such great things. This first thing is in here. She got me a bunch of Glossier stuff, moisturizing mask, the lash stick, which is like my favorite mascara of all time, and the bomb.com, and also this packaging is really cute. Thank you so much, Taylor, because you know I love this stuff. The next thing she got me is this Free People skirt. It's a black Free People skirt. I have this in 5 colors or something, and it just fits me really well and I love it so much. The last thing she got me is this tasty cookbook from Urban Outfitters. I'm really excited because I'm not like the best chef, but I really like to follow recipes and I really do enjoy cooking. I just need a little bit of guidance. So this shall be really fun and I'm really excited to start making things in the kitchen with you. It's gonna be great. Okay, next from my friend Miranda. We actually exchanged gifts today and she got me such cute things. Miranda works at Madewell, which is really cool. So she got me these Madewell earrings. They are gold little hoop things with silver on it. Super cute. She also got me some peppermint bark, which is so funny because she knows I love peppermint bark. And the last thing that she got me is a really cute set from First Aid Beauty. I love this brand so much. She got me the cleanser and it also comes with coconut water cream, which is cool because I've never even heard of that. So thanks, Miranda. I'm gonna try to keep this organized this year, even though I know my room's gonna be a disaster after this, but we can try. Totally forgot one of the most important parts, my stocking. You guys know every year I just quickly pull out and show you guys what I got. So insert footage of what's in here. So yeah, that's everything I got in my stocking. Thank you, Santa. You're the best. This little guy was above my stocking. Santa got me a little polar bear, and this is such a soft little dude. I can't decide if he's a boy or girl or what its name shall be. Comment down below if it's a boy or girl and what you think I should name it. Okay, on to the clothing, I guess. So from Lululemon, my mom got me some goods. It's a long sleeves. It's this nice gray and white ombre. Super cute. Love these. She also got me 2 pairs of Lululemon pants, and I don't own any Lululemon pants. I feel like I'm finally cool. These are kind of the more jogger style pants. I like to wear these to school more than I like to wear leggings, so I got this gray pair, and then the pair that I was most excited about that I had tried on, and I literally was dreaming about getting these one day. They look like this. They're black. What are they called? They're the Ready to Rulu pant. I guess they're like a sweatpant sort of thing, and they cinch at the bottom. These things are crazy soft and so comfortable. Thank you, Mom. My mom got me some stuff from Free People too. She got me this jacket. I actually picked this out a long time ago, but then I forgot I picked it out. Looks like this. It's kind of cropped, and then it also has a little belt, zipper. Also from Free People, she got me this short sleeves top, and can you kind of see the pattern on it? It's got blue and tan. Really cute with that black Free People skirt that Taylor got me. So it's a full-on outfit. Okay, we're gonna take a break from the clothing segment and jump into the food, and then we'll go back to clothing. My dad got me this lovely pan from Target. I wanted this because it's deeper than all my other pots. I guess not a pan, it's a pot. He got me this, so thank you. Water won't boil over when we're cooking our pasta. My dad also got me this giant, how many pounds is this? Oh, it's 4.6 pounds of shortbread cookies. A mango jam, I love mango flavored things, and a little split pea kit soup from when he visited California. I guess it's like a famous recipe. These are fun. In addition to that, he also got me these adorable little crock pot ceramic bowls that you just put in the oven and you can cook things in. One of my big gifts, also from my father, who is clearly the chef in our household, I got an Instant Pot. I haven't heard about this, but apparently this is like the craze of the season. I'm really excited about it because this thing cooks things like crazy fast, and you just basically toss all the ingredients in and you put it, and in 10 minutes you can have like a whole dish because it puts it under like really high pressure. This will be really nice just to throw it all in here, so thank you. I'm really excited. Very practical, very fun, very delicious. Okay, now we're gonna resume back to the clothing items. So my mom knows I love Patagonia, and during the ski season I always want a cool new beanie. So she got me this one. It's adorable. It's from Urban Outfitters. She got me this North Face shirt. Guys, the back of this shirt is so cool. It says passion for slashin' and it's got a bunch of skiers on it. Also to keep me warm and for skiing, she got me this Columbia jacket and it's got a little duck face on it. See the little duck dude? I also got this jacket for my big, so we're gonna be matching when we have our ski races this winter. My other big gift from my mom was this Patagonia. It's literally to die for cute. I can't believe I got this. This was such a genuine surprise and I'm gonna wear this all the time to school and to the mountain and I love it. Thanks, Mom. She got me two things that I really needed, which are new ski pants. Mine have a bunch of rips in them. She got me this pair of normal ski pants and then she got me a pair of zip down pants. It's kind of like a ski racing thing, but basically you have to strip into your spandex suit at the top of the course. So you need pants that have the zipper all the way down. And I did have pants, but they literally didn't fit me. Even with the suspenders, I was drowning in my pants and it was obstructing my skiing. So my mom finally got me the kid size. Still got a ways to go. Okay, we're gonna jump back into the random gifts and then we'll go back to clothes. My uncle got me this adorable makeup bag. He literally knows me too well. This is so my aesthetic. And then inside of it, he got me a bunch of face masks, Christmas tree bath bombs, rose scented lotion, which I've already used this and I really like this stuff. And he got me a gift card to Target because he literally knows where I shop every single week. I don't think there is actually a week in college where I don't go to Target. He also got me 3 adorable pairs of chopsticks and I just really hate the wooden cheapy chopsticks that they give you. He got me this book and it is called Being Mortal. It's kind of like a medical book and you guys know I love medicine. I'm a medical nerd. But I did get another book this Christmas. My father got me the Michelle Obama book, so I'm really excited to read this because I'm just genuinely curious what it's like to live in the White House. The family I used to babysit for got me the best gift. Literally look at their packaging. It's so cute. They got me this giant jar full of Kit Kats and M&Ms, which I love so much. And then inside, they got me Safe and Sound in this little bag. Another Target gift card. Honestly, so needed. So thank you so much. This is kind of a fun gift. My dad got me this yellow ball. It's really grippy, really fun. So we can play catch in our apartment and he says hopefully it won't break things when we play. So my mom got me some lotion. This is Ski Lodge lotion. It's great. I'm gonna put some on my hands right now. From my uncle, he got me a new pair of goggles. These are Oakley goggles. I've actually never owned a pair of Oakley goggles, so I'm kind of excited about them. He got me them in white. So they're a very aesthetically pleasing color. My mom got me a bunch of folders and plastic sheet things to go in binders for school. She also got me a jumbo glue stick and I need this. Never Christmas without getting socks. My mom got me some scrunchies. My aunt was so sweet and got me a bunch of makeup that I love from Benefit, so thank you. My mom got me a giant stack of clothes from Zara. They're all just basic black, white, and burgundy tees in many different colors and styles. And then the final piece of clothing that she got me are these Adidas sweatpants. They're really cool. My mom's like so on top of it. She ordered 3 different pairs and styles so I could really find the one I want. Okay, so we're down to the nitty gritty. I did get 1 pair of shoes this Christmas. They are a pair of Timberland boots. Love these boots so much because they're waterproof and really practical for Oregon. My dad got me a drill for Christmas, which is honestly very cool and a very adultish gift. Okay, sorry, we ran out of space, which means this video is already 4 gigabytes long. Anyway, back to what I was saying. My dad got me a drill. If you haven't seen my redecorating, remodeling videos, I've gotten pretty handy with the drill and now I have my own. I can hang my own pictures and I'll probably have this for the rest of my life. Speaking of the problem that I just had, my mom got me a new camera chip and this is the 128 gigabyte camera chip. I've never had a size this big, so hopefully this will be super handy and hopefully I will be really good about taking my footage off of this. My aunt got me new ski poles. If you are a ski racer, you know that you need like all this gear and I had really wonked out poles from literally the first year I learned how to ski. They were all bent. I had really ugly colored pole guards that were all really gross and dated and all the coaches used to make fun of me and my weird colored pole guards. So I finally got cool leaky pole guards and my aunt got me these awesome ski poles which I've wanted for so long, so thank you. Okay, the final gift was a huge surprise. I literally had no idea I was getting it at all. No idea I was getting it because my dad hid the present in a pan, so when I opened it I thought I just got a pan and I was really confused until he forced me to open it further, which is when I saw that I got this. The Canon G7X Mark II, and some of you guys might be like, what, Kiara, you already have this camera, which is true. I already have this camera, but mine is a little messed up. If you watch my last video I posted, you'll partially understand why. But yeah, my old camera still kind of works, but it's not working up to par. 3 years of really frequent hard use on it has just made it really slow to focus and just not quite the same. My dad got me a new camera, which is so nice of him, and my old camera is gonna actually go to him so he can start vlogging his adventures adventures and things that he's working on. This is the new baby that we got. Really gonna be extra careful with her. She looks pristine right now. She's beautiful. She's glistening. She has no crack screen like my other one. No dents. Yes, thank you, Dad, so much. I feel so lucky to have parents that support my channel and what I do, and so lucky to have you guys a part of this channel because this year has been absolutely insane. I just really appreciate all of you guys who are following along on this journey, who follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So it's just really cool to get to talk to you and hear your stories. I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas. Comment down below, what is your favorite gift that you either gave or received? My favorite gift that I gave was I gave my dad a new Apple TV, which I just thought was so clever because he didn't ask for it. And I got the one with the Siri so he can just voice command into it. I think I might just sit here, enjoy being Christmas lazy for a little bit longer. Kit Kats are honestly so underrated. These are like bomb. And they're bite sized. Here, you can have one. Just one.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't see